Okay, so we found Eli, right? And it looks like Eli's head is the opposite shape of what we drew. Do you see how it's pretty flat on the top and it's round on the bottom? And what we drew is round on the bottom, or flat on the bottom and round on top. So maybe we should try again and make it a different shape. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Good idea to flip your paper over. And we'll try drawing Eli. Do you want me to try to draw Eli too? And show you how?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. Ready?
So.
Okay. So let's start up at the top of the paper. Okay. Good job. We're just gonna draw his face, okay? Sound good?
Yeah. Why?
Well, because drawing his whole body is gonna be a lot of work and we don't have a lot of time. Okay, and now his ears are points, like triangles.
Triangle.
Good. Okay, and then inside of his ears, do you see how there's littler pink triangles? Can we do that? Good job. Okay.
How can you draw that? Open that. That's okay.
Let's do his mouth now. His mouth, if we look at our picture here, his mouth is what kind of a shape? Kind of a circle, right?
Not everybody needs one of those.
For his mouth and his nose and his whiskers. Okay, and then his nose is kind of that triangle shape like this. Okay.
I think we can draw.
Would you like to try a different paper?
Yeah.
Okay. Use the pencil so you can erase if you make a mistake. Okay, try again. So draw. Flat. Yep. Good. Draw his ears. Good job.
Day.
And then little triangles inside his ears.
Sometimes I like to make accidents and then erase them.
Why do you like to make accidents?
Because then you can erase them and make them all again.
Great work, Winston. Okay, let's draw a little, draw his circle for his mouth. Draw his nose. Okay, and then a little line down.
Line down.
And then curvy line over, curvy line over. Good. And then let's draw his whiskers. His whiskers are super long, Winston, and they go all the way outside of his head like this. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. They are super long whiskers. Woohoo! Yeah, and then do some on the other side. Good job.
Whiskers are super long.
Okay, and then for his eyes, do we want to draw his eyes closed like they are in the picture, or do you want to draw them open?
Open.
Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, now they're open. Okay, do you see what kind of shape they are? You see how they're flat on the bottom and then roundy on the top?
Yeah.
Flat on the bottom, roundy on the top. So let's try to draw that shape. Let's start right above his nose. Draw a flat line like that. And then big round on the top. Yeah, and then do the same over here. Flat line. And then big roundy on the top. Good, and then his pupils are inside, and his pupils go like this, look. It's just a little U shape like this inside of his eye. Little U shape like
Those
this.
are closed eyes.
Nope, that's his open eye. Do you want to draw it different?
Do
You see what I'm drawing? I'm drawing, yeah, exactly. Drawing this little curvy line right here. And then he has a reflection in his eye. And the reflection is this little white circle, right? Do you want to draw a little white circle? Little white circle, little white circle. And I'm gonna color in his pupils like this with my pencil.
I'm not gonna do that.
You don't have to. It's your drawing. You can do whatever you want, right?
And you can do whatever you want.
Exactly. That's the fun thing about drawing.
That's his face.
You get to be creative.
I made his face.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Good. I love it. Do you want to color it in or do you want to leave it just pencil?
Just pencil.
I love it, sweetie. You want to put it on the fridge?
So,
We drew Eli. Yay!